Hi children, in the previous video we discussed about technical terms related to lenses from the lesson refraction of light at curved surfaces. Now let us discuss about rules for drawing ray diagrams in lenses from the lesson refraction of light at curved surfaces. Rule 1. Ray passing through principal axis will emerge without deviation. It goes straight. Rule 2. Ray passing through optic center will emerge without deviation and goes straight. Rule 3. If the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the refracted ray will passes through focus. Rule 4. The ray is passing through focus, then the refracted ray will become parallel to principal axis. Rule 5. When parallel rays making an angle with the principal axis fall on a convex lens, then the rays converge at a point on the focal plane. Rule 6. When parallel rays making an angle with the principal axis fall on a concave lens, then the rays appears to diverge from a point lying on the focal plane. Next, what are the symbols of convex lens and concave lens for drawing ray diagrams? For drawing ray diagrams, the symbols that represents convex lens is this and concave lens is this. Now, basic rules to draw ray diagrams to locate the position of images by lenses. Point number 1. First, select a point on the object which is placed at a point on the principal axis. Secondly, draw two rays that are mentioned in the rule 1. That is, if a ray is parallel to principal axis, then the refracted ray passing through focus. From rule 2, ray is passing through optic center, it does not deviate, it goes straight. And third point, extend both the rays to intersect at a point. This point gives the position of the image. Point 4. Draw a normal from point of intersection to the principal axis. This is the point of intersection and the normal. Now, length of this normal represents the size of the image. This is the size of the image.